Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and picking the inbox you intend to manage. Click Home, then Rules, then Manage Rules and Alerts. This opens the Rules wizard where you'll create logic. Choose the message trigger, sender, subject words, keywords in the body, or whether a message has an attachment, then click Next to begin defining actions. You want precise triggers so fewer exceptions are needed. Once set, you will move on to selecting what Outlook should do with matching mail. Now define the actions that will run when a message matches your trigger. Choose Move to Folder, Delete, Mark as Read, Forward to another account, or assign a category. You can check multiple actions. Then add exceptions, for example, never act on messages from your manager or skip items marked high importance. Make sure to tick Stop processing more rules when one rule should take precedence. Once your actions and exceptions are clear, prepare to name and test the rule. Finish by naming the rule and specifying options. Run now, run on this computer only, or client/server rule for exchange. Click Finish to save. You must test with a few sample messages to ensure it moves, forwards, or flags correctly. Adjust as needed. If things go wrong, check the rule order, look for conflicting rules, confirm the account type supports server-side processing, and make sure the rule is enabled for the correct folder. That troubleshooting step usually resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.